In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get feedback for newsletter in Brevo. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Brevo account and you are on the main dashboard. What we are doing in this walkthrough is setting up a contact attribute that you can use to organize feedback related to your newsletter. In Brevo, attributes are fields that store information about each contact, and they are useful when you want to segment your audience, personalize messages, or track categories like interests and feedback tags. First, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Contacts. This area is where Brevo stores your audience and the information attached to each subscriber. Once you are inside the Contacts section, you will move into the settings that control how contact data is structured. Next, click Settings. This is where you manage the configuration for your contact database. If you ever need to add new data fields, adjust existing ones, or prepare your account for better organization, this is typically where you will do it. From the Settings area, click Contact Attributes. This section is specifically for the fields that exist on each contact record. For example, you might already see default attributes like name or email, along with any custom fields you have created in the past. Adding the right attribute makes it easier to collect and label feedback consistently, instead of keeping it scattered in notes or separate spreadsheets. Now click plus Add a new attribute. This begins the process of creating a fresh attribute that you can use across your contact list. When you add a new attribute, Brevo will ask you for a name and an attribute type. Enter tags as the attribute name, then select category as the type. Using a category-style attribute is helpful because it is designed for grouping values in a structured way, which supports cleaner segmentation later when you want to filter contacts by the feedback tag you assign. Finally, click OK to save. Once saved, the tags attribute will be available in your contact fields, so you can start using it to classify and manage newsletter feedback more effectively. That covers everything you need to know.